In this video, I will show you how to count letters or number of characters in an Excel cell with or without spaces. So let's get started. Many times we want to count how many letters or characters an Excel cell has. To do that, we can use the len function. The len function, also known as the length function, is a text function that returns the total number of characters in a text or string. It accepts only one argument, that is the text whose length we want to find. To use it, select the target cell and type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type len followed by an opening bracket. Now select the cell whose length you want to find. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Finally, copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, the len function returns the number of letters or characters in each cell. We can change this formula a little bit to count the total number of characters in a row. To count letters in a row, we can use the sum function along with the len function like this. Please keep in mind that the len function also counts the space characters. So if your data has spaces at the start or at the end of the cell, the len function counts them as well. To fix that, we can use the trim function, which removes leading and trailing spaces from the text along with the len function like this. As you can see, it still counts space characters between the text. To count total number of characters without spaces, we can use the substitute function along with the len function. The substitute function replaces specific text in the given string. We can replace all the spaces with the empty string using the substitute function first and then count the characters using the len function like this. As you can see, we now have the letter count without spaces. Watch this video to learn how to quickly separate names and email addresses in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.